What if we unlocked 100% of our brain? Adam. Secrets of the mind. Exposed. Imagine for a moment what it would mean to unlock 100% of the human brain's capacity. This long-standing notion, popularized in movies and urban legend, sparks images of instant genius, telepathy, and even superhuman abilities. But what does science really reveal about this tantalizing idea? And what are the authentic mysteries and secrets hidden within our own minds? Contrary to the myth, we use virtually all regions of the brain throughout the day, even during simple tasks. The brain, a masterpiece of biological engineering, is composed of approximately 86 billion neurons, woven together by trillions of synapses. Each neuron acts like a tiny processor, communicating with others in a vast, ever-shifting network. Thanks to cutting-edge technologies like functional MRI and PET scans, scientists can now glimpse the living brain in action, observing regions lighting up in real time as we speak, dream, reason, or remember. One of the most remarkable findings of modern neuroscience is neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself throughout life. For decades, it was believed that human brain development all but ceased after childhood. But research has shattered this misconception. Learning a new language, acquiring a new skill, or even recovering from a brain injury all provoke the construction of new neural pathways, sometimes compensating for lost functions. This adaptability, so intrinsic to our mental lives, highlights the fallacy underpinning the idea that vast swaths of the brain remain unused. Delving deeper, scientists in the field of connectomics have begun to map the connectomy, the complete wiring diagram of the brain. These efforts reveal not only how thought travels across neural highways, but also how different configurations might relate to intelligence, emotional depth, or vulnerability to mental illness. Each individual's mind, it appears, is profoundly unique, shaped by genes, experiences, and culture. Brainwaves, those rhythmic electrical patterns oscillating at different frequencies, silently govern our experience of consciousness. From the slow, rolling delta waves that underpin deep sleep, to the rapid-fire gamma waves associated with problem-solving and creativity, each frequency plays a specific role. Even at rest, the brain is busy. Its default mode network, active during daydreaming or introspection, sparks some of our most creative thoughts and existential musings. Memory itself emerges as a story that evolves each time we recall it. Neurological studies suggest that recalling a memory is less like replaying a video and more akin to reconstructing a narrative, influenced by present emotions and beliefs. This subtle transformation blurs the lines between perception and reality, shaping our understanding of ourselves and the world. The divide between the brain's two hemispheres is subtler than once believed. While language centers may favor the left and spatial abilities the right, both hemispheres work in intricate harmony. The myth of being strictly left-brained or right-brained is, scientists now agree, an oversimplification of a much richer reality. Cases of savant syndrome offer tantalizing hints that enormous artistic, mathematical, or musical abilities may reside untapped within all of us, sometimes surfacing through extraordinary circumstances, injury, or altered chemical states. Could it be that, under specific conditions, the brain reveals capabilities we barely knew existed? Meanwhile, advances in neuroprosthetics, a marriage of brain and machine, are transforming lives. Paralyzed individuals can learn to move robotic limbs or type messages using only their thoughts, a testament to the brain's flexibility and the potential to bridge biology with technology. Culture, too, leaves its imprint. Research in cultural neuroscience shows that differing languages, worldviews, and social norms actually shape the brain's circuitry, affecting perception, attention, and even emotional expression. As we continue to unveil the brain's secrets, we move ever closer to answering profound questions about what it means to be conscious, the boundaries of free will, and the very nature of identity. Unlocking 100% of our brain may not yield instant superpowers, but the true marvel is how much we can continue to learn, adapt, and transform. ever exploring the infinite landscapes hidden within our own minds.